3, 2, 1.
I speak in many tongues, and yet I have no tongue myself. What am I? The answer is C. Language. In the 2008 Olympic Games, Michael Phelps swam in 8 events. How many world records did Phelps and Slash or his team set? The answer is C. 7. Astronomers have determined the surface temperature of stars by studying their colors. What color emission represents stars with the hottest temperatures? The answer is A. Blue. What was the original name of the spacecraft in which the Robinsons traveled in the series Lost in Space? The answer is B. Gemini 12I. Soluble minerals and clays accumulate in wet soil layer, allowing it to hold more water. The answer is C. Subsoil. Without me, nothing grows, yet I cannot be caught or kept. What am I? The answer is C. Time. I divide without remains and join without a seam. What am I? The answer is D. Math equation. Which drug is used in cardiac resuscitation? The answer is A. Adrenaline. Which animal lays soft-shelled eggs that can roll away? The answer is C. Tortoise. I can travel the world without moving an inch. What am I? The answer is D. River. I flow through many lands and have no end. What am I? The answer is A. Ocean. Which sport uses a hack shot? The answer is B. Squash. What Welsh pirate was known for his love of fine clothing and jewelry? The answer is B. Bartholomew Roberts. Christopher Columbus went on his first voyage across the Atlantic Ocean in 1492, using 3 famous ships. Which of the following was not among them? The answer is B. Doria. FAT, a file system developed by Microsoft, is the shortened form of what? The answer is B. File allocation table. What U.S. president faced impeachment in 1868 for steadfastly opposing radicals in Congress? The answer is C. Andrew Johnson. A distant world, known by its number not name. What am I? The answer is C. Kepler 22b. Which trait does a cactus seedling inherit from its parents? The answer is B. The length of its spines. Milk is usually subjected to what process, where high temperatures denature the proteins and bacteria so they cannot carry out functions needed to grow and multiply? The answer is D. Pasteurization. What did Harry Potter say that his name was when he, Ron, and Hermione got caught by a gang of snatchers in Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows? The answer is C. Vernon Dudley. What does oil do when mixed with water? The answer is A. Forms droplets. What style is characterized by pointed arches, ribbed vaults, and flying buttresses? The answer is B. Gothic. Who created the first computer virus in 1986? The answer is C. Steve Jobs. Which theory emphasizes the role of reinforcement and punishment in learning? The answer is A. Behaviorism. What is the chemical name for the molecule responsible for photosynthesis? The answer is B. Chlorophyll. The United Nations Secretary-General is appointed for a term of how many years? The answer is A. 5. What is the main equipment in ice hockey? The answer is A. Ice skates. What is the average speed dolphins can reach? The answer is D. 16.5 km/h. Which of these was the first graphical web browser? The answer is D. Mosaic. Which piece of equipment is used for baseball pitching? The answer is B. Bat. I have keys, but no locks. I want things, but take nothing. What am I? The answer is C. Dictionary. In Greek mythology, who was the goddess of love, beauty, pleasure, and fertility? The answer is A. Aphrodite. I can swallow a ship, yet make the desert bloom. What am I? The answer is C. Lake. What is the largest city in the world by population? The answer is A. Tokyo. What type of furniture do you find in a greenhouse? The answer is C. Bench. What is the name of the email protocol that uses SMTP for sending and POP or IMAP for receiving? The answer is D. Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. I have 1,000 leaves and carry the wind, yet I'm not a tree. What am I? The answer is A. Fan. Which game features a character named Jade as its protagonist? The answer is C. Prince of Persia. Margaret Abbott was the first female American to win an Olympic event. What was her event? The answer is A. Golf. Port of Spain is a city in which country? The answer is A. Trinidad and Tobago. I'm a city known for its towers and a famous lake. What am I? The answer is B. Chicago. Which mathematical constant is approximately equal to 2.718? The answer is A. Euler's number. What comedian said, outside of a dog, a book is a man's best friend. Inside of a dog, it's too dark to read. The answer is A. Groucho Marx. What was Judy Garland's birth name? The answer is A. Frances Ethel Gum. What is often found in the kitchen but can't cook? The answer is D. Dish towel. Which alcoholic drink is the main ingredient of the cocktail zombie? The answer is A. Rum. What is the study of reality and knowledge? The answer is A. Metaphysics. Which TV show revolves around a group of police officers working in a fictional Detroit police precinct? The answer is D. Detroit Precinct. What did Che Guevara study in the University of Buenos Aires? The answer is C. Medicine. I have a brain but no ears. What am I?